Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna paint this on. There's going to be one coat because I'm kind of in a rush. I just want you guys just to get the gist of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put that in for 30 seconds real quick. If it lets me. Dang. Okay. Right here, these are the 3 colors. I haven't tried this yet. It's the girl to girls. No, girl to girl. It's chameleon change. And these are not the colors because it's this one. So I'm not really sure. This one is the pink one. It's number 19. It's not going to show you, but it's the gel-like one. And then the last one is the Love Carry. It's M26. This is the, oh wait, this is the pink one, and the other one is the blue one. My bad. Okay, we got this out. Mind you, this is the Rosalind one. That's the it's a base coat and top coat all in one. Look at that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's try one of the big dotting tools. Let's see what I could do with, hold on. Nope, let's do the small one first. Let's just put some random dots in random places real quick. So you can see the actual color. I have nothing to wipe this on. Dang it. Okay. So with the big one, I should have done this the opposite way. I wasn't thinking. So I'm gonna put like it around it. And mind, this is my first time doing this, so this is like an experiment for me. What I wanted to do was not what I have. It didn't. Cause I wanted to do this first, then put the pink in there. But it is what it is. Okay, did that one. Don't judge me. It's my first time. My first time. Okay, we'll do that one for another 30 seconds. Don't judge me, babe. Okay, so we did the dotting tools, and then next I'm gonna use this one. Where's my stuff at? Let me get this little soft. Okay. Did that right there. 30 seconds. It is done. Now this design is not a design. I'm just trying to show you guys what each one of these do. Okay. First time, y'all. Bear with me. Don't ask what I'm doing because I don't know. Okay, I don't know what that was. Don't judge me. That was horrible. Okay, let's, you know what? Try one of the ones that nobody really like use. So, So no, not gonna do that. I'm just gonna try this one thing real quick. It's color change. So instead of it being a dark blue, it's more like a purple. So right now I'm about to do this real quick. I think I see everybody doing. I'm gonna take some of this one, and some of this one. And let's see what happens. What I wanted. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, I'm so filthy! Don't ask me, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is just a demo. This is not like me doing actual artwork. I just wanted to show you guys. So some people who don't know what to do with nothing, having a little idea. I'm not gonna try everyone because I don't got time right now to do all that, honestly. Okay, let me get my acetone so I can rinse this stuff off. Okay. Ta-da! This is hilarious. Okay. Just please don't judge me, y'all. I'm innocent in this. Okay, we have this one. So this is a clear one. And so I might as well use this all up. Hurry up. Dante's waiting for me. Okay, so I seem to like something. Is this like kind of like shaking off the, like bringing it to the bottom? I don't know. I like how these two colors mix together. It's like ooh, like baby shower time or something. Okay, so with this one, I'm just gonna sweep it across. Just like that. Okay, and by me doing that, I don't know if you guys can like kind of see what I'm trying to do, because I don't know what I'm doing. It's all a learning process. Kind of messed up on the blue. What I was trying to do. Okay. Do that one for another 30 seconds. There you got all this stuff in here. Okay. What are you guys doing today? Either you're getting back to work, or school, you don't work. What did you do? Tell me what you do. At the moment, I got all my polishes everywhere. Nothing's organized. So real quick, I'll take this off. Okay. Just gonna apply a top coat. If it lets me, it's acting. There you go. There's that one. And let's top this one off since I actually try to do something. And just be thankful I'm showing you guys. Because I did say I'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And right here we have the bad and the ugly. Okay. I'm gonna get that one already started, took this one out. Hey. 30 seconds for that one. I actually kind of like this one, to be honest with you. Even though I think it's kind of weird, I kind of like it. I don't know if you could actually see what I'm seeing, but I don't know. And plus we got the color change one in there a little bit. And then we got this one. Ta-da! Come on. Give it to me, baby. Okay. This is the finished product. This is one coat. Just experimenting, but yeah, I like this. So, yeah. I'll leave a link below for this. Anybody who wants to buy it. It's only $10. Like, look at all you get for $10. Like, you can't complain and talk about anything. You get all this for freaking $10, y'all. What are you doing with your life? I advise you to get this. Honestly. It's gonna be worth it. I might put this in a giveaway. This would be like a nice giveaway for a beginner, right? I think it would be. Alright, you guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Alright, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.